British buyers are drowning in car finance while brilliant SUVs sit ignored on forecourts. Dealers want you financing a £40,000 SUV that'll depreciate faster than you can make payments. But here's what they're hiding: 7 SUVs under £5,000 that'll outlast everything rolling off production lines today. These aren't rusty old bangers. They're mechanically superior vehicles built when durability actually mattered. Let's expose the 7 SUVs that'll save you tens of thousands. Number 7. 2013 to 2017 Dacia Duster. The Dacia Duster currently sells for £3,000 to £4,900 across UK classifieds. That buys you Renault's engineering stripped down to basics, which ironically makes it more reliable than complicated alternatives. The Duster uses proven Renault 1.5-litre DCI diesel engines that have been around since 2001. This engine appears in millions of Renaults, Nissans and Dacias worldwide. When something's produced in those volumes for that long, all the problems get sorted out. The manual gearbox is simple, robust and cheap to repair if needed. There's no complicated electronics, no fancy all-wheel drive systems with expensive clutch packs, just basic mechanical engineering that works. While modern SUVs pack in technology that breaks after warranty expires, the Duster sticks with proven basics. No touchscreen to fail, basic climate control that keeps working, simple dashboard switches that last forever. The interior won't win design awards. Hard plastics dominate where premium brands use soft materials. But these cheaper plastics don't crack or peel like expensive alternatives do after 5 years of sun exposure. Dacia chose materials that age gracefully, rather than ones that look good in showrooms. When shopping, look for service history showing regular oil changes. The timing belt needs changing at 72,000 miles or 5 years. Skip this and you'll face engine damage costing more than the car's worth. Check underneath for rust, as Dacia doesn't rust-proof like premium brands. Test the air conditioning works properly. The Duster won't impress anyone at the school gates, but it'll still be running when flashier SUVs are in scrapyards. That's the trade-off smart buyers accept. Number 6. 2010 to 2015 Hyundai iX35. The Hyundai iX35 trades between £3,500 and £4,800 depending on mileage and condition. This generation came with a 5-year warranty when new, proving Hyundai's confidence in reliability during their reputation-building phase. The 1.7-litre and 2.0-litre diesel engines are Hyundai's own designs. These motors routinely exceed 150,000 miles with basic maintenance. Hyundai was obsessed with quality during this era because they needed to overcome decades of building cheap cars. Every component was tested extensively before launch. The interior quality surprises people expecting Korean budget materials. Cloth seats resist wear better than leather in German rivals. The dashboard layout is logical with well-placed controls. Climate control systems continue working when premium brands need expensive repairs. Even the basic infotainment remains functional while touchscreens in other cars fail completely. Boot space measures 465 litres with seats up, expanding to 1,436 litres with rear seats folded. That's genuinely practical for family holidays and monthly tip runs. The rear seats slide and recline, adding versatility most competitors don't offer at this price. When inspecting examples, verify the diesel particulate filter hasn't been removed. Some owners delete these to avoid regeneration issues, but that causes MOT failures. Check all electrical features work properly, particularly the heated seats, which can fail on higher mileage examples. Look for service stamps from Hyundai dealers or quality independents. The iX35 holds value well because buyers now recognize Hyundai reliability improved dramatically. You're getting dependable family transport without the premium badge tax that adds thousands to German alternatives. Number 5. 2007 to 2012 Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V from this generation sells for £4,000 to £4,900 for decent examples. Reliability data shows this SUV averaging just £407 in annual repairs, making it the most dependable in its class. The 2.2-litre IDTEC diesel engine is Honda's engineering masterpiece. It uses a timing chain rather than a belt, saving expensive replacement costs. The engine was designed with generous tolerances, meaning it barely works hard during normal driving. This motor routinely exceeds 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. The 5-speed automatic gearbox represents Honda's peak engineering. Later Honda automatics developed issues, but this generation remains trouble-free. Independent mechanics consistently praise this transmission's durability compared to modern CVT designs that fail prematurely. What makes this CR-V special is Honda's obsessive build quality during their golden period. The all-wheel drive system is simple yet effective. Air conditioning continues working decades later when competitors need expensive repairs. Interior switchgear maintains positive clicks after high mileage. When shopping, prioritize service history over mileage. A well-maintained example with 150,000 miles has years ahead. Check for rust around rear wheel arches, common in UK weather. Verify the diesel particulate filter is original and functioning properly. Honest John Reliability Index ranks this CR-V at 4.5 out of 5 stars. That's data from thousands of owners confirming exceptional dependability. Number 4, 2010 to 2015, Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage from this generation trades between £3,800 and £4,900. That buys you a 7-year warranty when new, proving Kia's confidence in their engineering. The 1.7-litre and 2.0-litre diesel engines are Kia's own designs, tested extensively before launch. These motors regularly exceed 160,000 miles with proper maintenance. Reliability data shows 4 out of 5-star ratings from owners. What makes this Sportage valuable is Kia's transformation during this era. They stopped building cheap cars and started building good cars at competitive prices. The engineering improved dramatically. Build quality matched European brands. The result is an SUV that delivers reliable service. The interior feels solid with decent materials throughout. The dashboard design is logical. Climate control systems work reliably. Even the infotainment, while dated now, continues functioning when touchscreens in German rivals fail expensively. When inspecting examples, check service history thoroughly. Verify timing belt replacement at recommended intervals. Test the clutch on manual versions for smooth operation. Look for evidence of regular maintenance rather than deferred repairs. The Sportage holds value well because the UK market now recognises Korean quality improved dramatically. You're getting dependable transport without premium pricing. Number 3, 2012 to 2016, Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 from this generation sells for £4,500 to £4,900 for higher mileage examples. Reliability Index rates this SUV at 94.3 out of 100, making it exceptionally dependable. The 2.2-litre Skyactiv diesel engine represents Mazda's engineering excellence. This motor regularly exceeds 180,000 miles with basic maintenance. The 6-speed manual and automatic gearboxes are both robust and reliable. What separates the CX-5 is Mazda's deliberate overbuilding. Suspension components are rated for heavier vehicles. Engine. Mounts use triple reinforcement where competitors use single layers. Everything is designed to last far longer than necessary. The interior quality punches above its price point. Materials feel premium. Controls have satisfying weight and precision. The infotainment uses a rotary dial rather than touchscreen, which Mazda believes is safer while driving. This old-school approach also means fewer electronic failures. When shopping, look for complete service history. Check the diesel particulate filter hasn't caused issues. Verify clutch operation on manual versions. Test all features work properly before buying. Which reliability surveys consistently rank the CX-5 in the top 3% of all SUVs tested? That's verified data from thousands of owners confirming exceptional dependability. Number 2, 2009 to 2017, Skoda Yeti. The Skoda Yeti sells between £3,500 and £4,900. That buys you Volkswagen Group engineering without the premium badge tax. This compact SUV shares platforms and engines with Audi and Volkswagen models costing twice as much. The 1.6-litre and 2.0-litre TDI diesel engines come from Volkswagen's EA189 family. Despite emissions scandal associations, these engines are mechanically excellent. With proper maintenance, they regularly exceed 200,000 miles. The manual gearboxes are robust. The DSG automatic needs oil changes every 40,000 miles but lasts when maintained properly. What makes the Yeti special is Škoda's simply clever features: removable boot torch, ice scraper in the fuel filler cap, umbrella storage indoors. These cost Škoda almost nothing but add genuine practicality. Build quality matches Volkswagen standards because it's built in the same factories. Panel gaps are tight, materials feel solid. Interior space is exceptional for the exterior dimensions thanks to clever packaging. When shopping, verify DSG service history on automatic versions. Check for oil leaks around the engine, common but inexpensive to fix. Test air conditioning thoroughly. Look for service stamps from Škoda dealers or reputable independents. The Yeti's boxy styling suppresses prices today. That's brilliant for buyers prioritizing engineering over fashion. You're getting German reliability at sensible prices purely because the design looks dated. Number 1. 2007 to 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander. The Mitsubishi Outlander from this generation sells for £3,500 to £4,800. This 7-seater SUV offers genuine practicality with proven reliability that modern crossovers can't match. The 2.2-litre diesel engine is a PSA design shared with Peugeot and Citroën, meaning parts are widely available and mechanics understand them. This engine regularly exceeds 160,000 miles with proper maintenance. The manual gearbox is robust. The automatic option is equally reliable when serviced correctly. What makes the Outlander special is its genuine 7-seat capability at this price point. Most 7-seaters under £5,000 are cramped disasters. The Outlander actually fits adults in all 3 rows for reasonable journeys. That's rare at this price. The 4-wheel drive system is simple, mechanical and reliable. It provides genuine capability without complex electronics to fail. Ground clearance handles British country lanes and winter conditions confidently. The interior is spacious with durable materials that resist family abuse. When inspecting examples, verify service history showing regular maintenance. Check timing belt replacement at recommended intervals. Test all electrical features work properly. Look for rust underneath, as these aren't rust-proofed like premium brands. The Outlander depreciates heavily initially, but stabilizes at sensible prices. That creates opportunities for buyers prioritizing practicality over prestige. You're getting 7 proper seats, 4-wheel drive, capability and proven reliability for less than most 5-seater crossovers. This combination of genuine family capability, mechanical simplicity, and proven durability at under £5,000 is why the Outlander tops our list. While other SUVs compromise on space, reliability, or affordability, the Outlander delivers all 3 without asking you to sacrifice anything that actually matters.